Okay, thank you. Okay, so for this example, we given that the initial speed it's 20 meters per second, and then the final speed it's 25 meters per second. The acceleration it's 1.8 meters per second square. So with this information we have the equation of motion. It is basically v square v final minus v initial square, and then we solve for x because we need the position. So here we have v final square, v initial square to 8, and then we replace with the actual values, which in this case is 25 meters per second square minus 20 meters per second square over 2 times 1.8, which is the acceleration, and that gives us a result of 62.5 meters, which correspond to answer C.